Netflix not working with your Xfinity remote is a widespread issue affecting many users as of July 2025. Understanding why this happens is the first step to fixing it. There are 5 main reasons why Netflix may not work properly with your Xfinity remote. Network connectivity problems are the most common, followed by issues with your Xfinity equipment itself. Account-related problems such as expired subscriptions or too many devices logged in can also prevent access. Additionally, an outdated Netflix app or software glitches from cached data may cause functionality issues. These issues typically manifest in 4 main ways. The Netflix app may fail to load entirely, get stuck on the loading screen, display only a black screen, or your Xfinity remote may simply stop responding within the Netflix app. Since network connectivity is the leading cause of Netflix issues on Xfinity, checking your internet connection should be your first troubleshooting step. A systematic approach to diagnosing these problems will help you resolve them quickly. First, check your internet connection. Restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Next, restart your Xfinity TV box. Unplug the power cord for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in. You can also use the settings menu to restart the device. If the issue persists, reset the Netflix app. Press the Xfinity button on your remote, then press the A button and navigate to reset Netflix. Try a system refresh by pressing the A button on your remote and saying System Refresh, or scroll to System Refresh and press OK. This process takes about 10 minutes. If your remote isn't working with Netflix, check the batteries and ensure there are no obstructions. Reset the remote by holding the Setup button until the light changes, or for remotes without a Setup button, hold Xfinity and Info buttons together for 5 seconds until the light turns green. Then enter 981. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Xfinity or Netflix support for additional assistance. They can provide specialized help for your specific setup.